Coming out of the Leaving Cert, you are conditioned with one absolute exam rule. Never, under any circumstances, leave a question blank. If you don't know the answer, you guess, because a wild guess carries zero penalty and might net you an extra mark. But when you sit your first college multiple choice question exam, especially in STEM, business, health sciences, or economics, that habit can completely destroy your grade. Welcome to the world of negative marking, where guessing blindly can literally drag a passing grade down to a fail. Negative marking exists because university lecturers want to test actual knowledge rather than statistical luck. In a standard college MCQ, a correct answer might give you +1 mark, leaving it blank gives you 0, but picking an incorrect answer deducts a fraction of a mark, usually -1/4 or -1/3. On paper, this sounds intimidating, but once you understand the simple mathematics behind expected value, you can turn negative marking into a strategic advantage. Here is the exact mathematical rule for deciding whether to guess or leave a question blank. If a question has 4 options and carries a -0.25 penalty for an incorrect answer, a completely blind guess gives you a 25% chance of getting +1 and a 75% chance of losing a quarter mark. Mathematically, your expected value is 0. You break even over time. However, the moment you can eliminate even one single wrong option, the math shifts heavily in your favor. Now you have a 1 in 3 chance of getting it right. Mathematically, guessing when you've ruled out just one option yields a positive expected value, meaning you will gain marks on average across the exam. If you can eliminate 2 options, guessing is a complete no-brainer. But if you stare at a question and all 4 options look like absolute gibberish, do not gamble. Take the 0 and move on. Beyond the math, you need to watch out for exam room traps. Always read the instruction page on the cover of your exam paper before you start. Some modules use harsher penalty ratios, like -0.5 or even -1 for wrong answers in specialized medical or engineering papers. Second, watch out for negative phrasing in the questions themselves. Phrases like, "which of the following is not true?" trick students into picking the right fact for the wrong question, handing away easy marks. College MCQs aren't about luck. They are an exercise in calculated risk management. Rule out the obvious wrong answers. Trust the math. Leave the total mysteries blank. And you will walk out of the exam hall with every mark you deserve.